Bonjour à tous, hi everyone, and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. And this is Unité 2, leçon A. So I hope you're ready. We'll work on the vowels, les voyelles, in this lesson, and then we'll see how they behave when we combine them with another letter. So the vowels that we will work on, we won't take this Y vowel on purpose, okay? So we'll focus only on A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so remember one more time. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, remember this U is usually can be quite tricky for English-speaking persons, especially the difference between the U and the U. Okay, but we'll see that a bit later. So if you combine this vowel A with the vowel I, okay, you will get the sound E. So really open, E. Okay, and then if you combine it with the vowel U, then you will get the sound O. O. All right, so well, exactly the same sound as this O vowel here. So it's the same O. Okay, and then if you combine it with the letter N, in that case, you will get what we call a nasal, so it goes in your nose, and then you get the sound on. Okay, if you listen carefully, well, basically you don't listen, or you don't hear, sorry, any N in my pronunciation. On. Okay, let's see what happens with E. So E combined with the vowel I will give you the sound E. So the same sound as we had previously here, okay, so it's the same sound, and it's E, so really open. And now if you combine it with the U, you will get the sound E. And if you combine it with N, then you get the sound en. So the same sound as we had when we combine N with A, okay? En. All right, so let's see now for E. So for E, obviously, if you get two times the same letter, then it will be a bit longer, so E. Okay, same thing for U, it doesn't really happen. And then here, that's the interesting one. If you combine E with N, then you will get the sound un. Okay, in your nose, un. All right, so let's see O now. If you combine O and I, you will get the sound wa. So repeat it like that, you know, wa. And then after that, only one, wa. Okay? Then if you combine it with U, you will get the sound oo. So as I said previously, the difficulty, one of the big difficulty for English-speaking persons is this difference between the oo here and the U here. Ooh, okay, so we'll have the time to work on that, but still it's ooh in that case. If you combine it with N, then you will get the sound on. Same thing, nasal, so in your nose, on. All right, and let's see the last one. So if you combine U and I, you get the sound oui. All right, so really U, it's not ooh, okay, so it's U, ui. All right, and then, well, basically it doesn't exist, this uo, and if you combine it with the N, then you get the sound un. So before we had the difference between this un here and this un here, but nowadays in France, at least, you don't make any difference between the two, okay, so it's un here and un here. All right, so let's see them one more time. A, E, O, en. E, E, en. I, un. O, wa, ou, on. U, ui, un. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. Have a great day. If you want to find the next lesson, so it would be a leçon B, so unité 2, and it can be found there. And remember that we've got already the unité 1 on the channel, so it's possible to find it there. And then more material can be found at this address, so imagier.net. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.